Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a wonderful story. A story related to our life. In this story, I will teach you a lot of new things. I have tried my best to include new words because I believe when I tell you the story and you come across some new words, it will be easy for you to remember. So my dear friends, listen to the story very carefully because at the end of the video, at the end of the story, I have 3 questions for you. If you listen carefully, I'm sure you will be able to answer all the questions. If you know the answer, please comment in the comment section. I will check your answer if it is correct or not, and I will reply to you. So let's begin with the story. Once upon a time, there lived a boy. Everyone used to like him. His family members, his friends, his neighbors, his teachers, everyone used to like him a lot because he was very obedient. And everyone used to think that he has a very bright future because he was very good in studies also. Days passed by and it is time for his 10th result. Everyone was waiting anxiously to see his performance. Well, it was not surprising. He cleared the exam with flying colors. So till his 10th standard, everything was going fine. Everyone was happy. But the situation changed. The scenario changed once he got into college. When he entered the college, he got some new friends. But those friends were not good. He was in a bad company. And within few months, everything changed. He started partying. He started going home late. He started borrowing money from his friends. He started stealing money from his parents. The situation was horrible. No one expected this. One day his parents came to know about this and they thought to discuss the same with him. But what happened, you know? When his parents started discussing about all these negative things, he said directly, "Please don't interfere in my life. This is my life and I will lead it in my own way." He hardly used to concentrate on his studies. Now, the time has come for his 12th exam. He wrote the exam and the result came out. No one expected this. He failed in that exam. This incident changed everything for this boy. He never expected this. He was hurt and he decided to confine himself in a room. He hardly used to come out from his house, and the situation was such that he is slowly moving into depression. Everyone was very worried. His parents were very worried because he hardly used to talk to anyone. He didn't receive phone calls. He didn't respond to his old friends. One day, his principal, sir, came to know about this and he called him. The principal, sir, called him to his house. He cannot deny the invitation, so he has to go. He went and said hello to the principal, sir. The sir responded with a smile. But after that, next 15 minutes, there was silence. The boy didn't talk anything. Now the principal, sir, thought to do something different. It was a cold evening in the winter. They were sitting near the coal chimney. So what the teacher did, he took one coal and put it on the ground. Immediately, the warmth of the coal dried out and there was no fire in that coal. The boy asked principal, sir, "What you did, sir? It was burning so well in the chimney. You took it out and threw it in the ground. Now It is not burning. The principal smiled and said, "This is what I wanted to explain you, my dear student. You are like a coal. The coal which I have thrown in the ground, consider that as yourself. You are in a bad company. Till 10th standard, you are doing so good. You are burning in a very good environment. You are spreading warmth all around. But now, you are like that cold coil which is there on the ground. But your time has not gone. You know why?" The principal took the coal and again put it on the chimney. The coal started burning again. The boy understood and he said, "Sir, I understood. I am like the same coil. Now as you have put it on the chimney, it is burning again." The principal sir said, "Wait, let me explain you properly. Then you can go home." The principal sir said, "Leave bad companion. Leave all the bad habits. Come back to your normal life. Change your lifestyle. And I'm sure within few days you will be able to experience the new life." The boy realized his mistake. So my dear friend, this is not only a story of this boy. This situation comes in our life. Many of us, we fall prey to this type of situation. A small incident changes our life and we move towards depression. I remember one quote: "Worrying doesn't empty tomorrow of its sorrows. It empties today of its strength." What does it mean, you know? If you worry too much, your tomorrow will not be peaceful. Instead, the worries which is there in your mind, it is killing your today. So stop worrying and find a solution what you can do to lead a better life. Make your present beautiful so that your future can also become beautiful. So my dear friends, this is what I want to teach you. Now comes the question. The 3 questions which I want to ask you today. Number 1, why did the principal call the boy to his house? Number 2, why was the boy so sad? And number 3, what lesson do you learn from this story? If you have not understood the story, please listen to the story one more time and answer me. And if you have understood, I'm sure your English is amazing. It's just that you need to practice a little more. So my dear friends, I have come to the end of this video. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till the next video, thank you so much.